Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Lorax from Dr. Seuss. So let's get started. To draw this cute Lorax who speaks for the trees, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. And let's come right across and draw another oval. So about right here. Go ahead and draw another oval. And I'll come inside and draw, oh, actually, you know what? Let's draw the curve on top first. So about right here towards the top, I'm going to draw a curve that comes out. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And draw another curve. There, I almost forgot. And then inside, we're going to get closer to the center. We're going to draw a circle. It's the same thing over here. Okay, so then now let's come inside this circle and draw another circle in the corner here and shade everything else in. So same thing right here, another circle right here for a highlight and shade it all in. There. Okay, so then now right in between the eyes, we're going to draw an oval for the nose. So let's say about right here. Go ahead and draw this oval. And then we're going to draw his mustache. So right underneath this, right here in this area, right underneath the eye, I'm going to bring out a curve. So it's going to be right underneath the eye, and it's going to come out. So same thing over here. So right underneath his nose, right underneath the eye, bring out a curve. Before we finish the mustache, let's come back up here. We're going to draw a big curve over the eyes. So I'll say about right here because I want to have this curve close to the eye. I'll start about right here and I'll just draw a big curve right above and towards the center, be my highest point, and come right back down to the other side. And then let's come up here. We're going to draw the brow. So it's just a bunch of lines. So maybe 4 of them. It's going to come out right above the eye. So I'll come in here and just thicken it up. So this is the original classic Lorax. If you want to draw the movie Lorax, the eyebrows are slightly different. But I thought the original would be better. So let's come right here. I like the original. So same thing. And one more. So once again, just thicken it up. There. Okay, so now we have that. It looks pretty weird, right? But cute also. Okay, so then from there, let's start his mustache. So right in the center where his nose is, I'm going to come down a little bit, just skip a little bit space. And I'm just going to come straight down and then curve out. So I just want to make sure I have this part in, so I kind of know where I'm going back to. So this is the space I'm going to be putting the mustache in. So let's start right here. I'm going to come out, flare it out a little bit. Flare it out. Let's see here. Come down, come out. And then we're going to start to build the bottom. So come out right here. And just back and forth, back and forth. Back to this space. 2 more. There. So same thing over here. So about the same width right here. And I'm just aiming to come back to here. So just keep that in mind. And so back and forth. And connect. There, we made it. Okay, so then in between, let's bring this up a tiny bit more. In between, we're just going to draw a curve for the Lorax mouth. Actually, you know what? I think I made it a little too low right here. So now I'll come in here really quickly with my whiteout pen and just erase this part since I went down too low. Okay, much better. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and start to draw the body. So we're still imagining this coming through, slightly widening out a little bit. So about right here, I'll pop it out. So same thing over here. So let's say about right here. And we're just gonna bring this down and round it off. So it's like a big potato almost, right? Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down all the way. And I'm going to imagine this all the way, but I'm going to skip a little bit space. So say about right here, I'll start again and go up because I want to put the legs in. So I'm skipping a little bit of space. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw the legs. So about right here, I'll pop them out. So a curve and a curve. Nice short little legs, and we're going to bring this out. So maybe a curve that comes out and then down so that you kind of know it's furry. And then we're just going to bring it right back in and connect. So same thing here. Curve down the heel. And right here. And once again, come out. Maybe you can go this way. This time, and then connect. There. Okay, so then now the arms. So this one's going to be on his hips. So about right here, I'll go ahead and just draw an angle. Now come out, just thickening this up. I'll follow my inside, round it off. And about right here, I'll stop. So we draw the palm. And I'm just going to go ahead and just curve this out. This is kind of weird, furry finger. So just kind of make like a little loop like that. And then this side's just going to come out. So armpit area about right here. So same thing, just curve it out. About right here. And curve it out and about right here, come out with a thumb and fingers. There. And that is pretty much it for this Lorax from Dr. Seuss. And of course, I'm going to add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute speaker for the trees, right? So thanks so much for watching. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.